Hello and welcome to the 202nd weekly Shulini TV News Bulletin, brought to you by the School of Media and Communication. Here we get you the update with the latest news from the campus. I am Kavya Chaudhary, and before we get started, let's have a look on the headlines. Shulini University launches patriotic voting campaign. Pallavi Saraswatula Memorial Competition organized. Alopa Verma triumphs in YCC extempore competition. Shulini to partner with PGI Chandigarh for blood donation camp. And now the news in details. With the general election in sight, Shulini University has launched Shulini Ka Har Vote Desh Ke Naam campaign, first inspiring time voters to shape the nation's future through active participation. Diksha will tell us more about it.
Inspired by the Government of India's Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye campaign, the Directorate of Student Welfare at Shulini University has introduced a unique initiative titled Shulini Ka Har Vote Desh Ke Naam. Led by Sonia, the university's talented rap artist, the campaign aims to encourage first-time voters to exercise their electoral rights for the betterment of the nation. In a collaborative effort, students from various departments came together to produce a captivating video that embodies the spirit of patriotism, civic responsibility. Here's the video.
मेरा देश मेरी शान, हाँ न्योछावर है जान। सब मिलके बोले मेरा भारत महान। लिखने चले हैं भविष्य अपने हाथ से, मेरा पहला वोट होगा देश के नाम। सब मिलकर के बोले मेरा भारत महान। शूलिनी का वोट अपने देश के नाम। डेमोक्रेसी में सरकार चलती लोगों के लिए, जो तुम्हें सही लगता है तुम उसे जिताओ। पक्ष या विपक्ष की मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, पर उठो तो सही चाओ, वोट दे के आओ। बंदा गलत जीत गया तो झेलो 5 साल, हालत ना करती कहीं सबकी खराब। लोकतंत्र अगर रखना है बरकरार, तो सोच समझ के लाओ सही उम्मीदवार। मिलेंगे ऐसे लोग भी बस करेंगे बक बक, ये नहीं मिला वो नहीं मिला कंप्लेनिंग हर वक्त। समस्या का समाधान न होगा बिन मतदान, हटा पट्टी आंखों से वोटिंग की कीमत जान। जिसकी भी उम्र हो गई है 18, कंग्रेचुलेशंस यू आर अ मतदाता। बिल्डिंग द नेशन विद द फीलिंग ऑफ राइट, वी आर द यूथ मेकिंग फ्यूचर सो ब्राइट। वोटिंग हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जिसको भी चुनेंगे विद फुल एबिलिटी। कोई भी सही अगर नेता न मिला, तो नोटा में वोट जाएगा, टेंशन काहे की। शूलिनी भी बोले चलो वोट दे के आए, जिम्मेदारी को अपनी बखूबी निभाए। करते अपने देश के लिए पहला वोट, लोकतंत्र को सही दिशा में लेके जाए। सब मिलके बोले मेरा भारत महान, होगा मेरा हर वोट मेरे देश के नाम। मेरा पहला वोट मेरे देश के लिए, शूलिनी का वोट अपने देश के लिए। हाँ, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
The main goal behind the campaign is to inspire young voters to get involved in a democratic process and contribute to making our nation better, according to Dean Student Welfare Mrs. Poonam Nanda.
Shulini University has instituted Pallavi Saraswatula Memorial Award to recognize her resilience in battling cancer and her impactful literary work. Meghna will tell us more about the event.
Shulini University recently paid tribute to a former student, Pallavi Saraswatullah, with the presentation of Pallavi Saraswatullah Memorial Award, honoring her brave spirit and lasting impact. Despite her battle with cancer, Pallavi's story touched many, inspiring the creation of this special literary award.
Pallavi's book, Don't Ask Me How I Am Doing, shared the journey of young cancer survivors and caregivers. This heartfelt tale deeply moved the judges, including Pallavi's father and professors from Shulini University. At the award ceremony, Priyadarshini Narendra and Anisha Motwani received recognition for their inspiring literary work reflecting Pallavi's resilience. Yamini Prashant's poetry collection, Food for Thought, also received praise for its exploration of important themes. The ceremony celebrated other nominees as well, like Namakala Chapagain, Kamyani Sachi Dillon, and Ankita Srivastav, highlighting the diverse voices shaping literature today.
Dr. Ashu Khosla, trustee and chief learning officer of Shulini University, stressed the importance of honoring women authors' courage and storytelling. Through the Pallavi Saraswatullah Memorial Award, Shulini University ensures Pallavi's legacy continues to inspire others in the literary world.
Shulini University's Young Communicators Club hosted an exciting extemporary competition, drawing enthusiastic participations from the students. Let's see what details are with Anmol.
The Young Community Club at Shulini University hosted an electrifying extempore competition titled Shulini Snap Speak on Tuesday, drawing a crowd of enthusiastic students. Participants were tasked with spontaneously addressing themes provided on the spot. Among the competitors, Alopa Verma, a student from the School of Media and Communications, emerged victorious. Alopa delivered a captivating speech on the topic of manifestation, skillfully crafting her narrative from the given theme of magic. In recognition of her impressive performance, Alopa was awarded a winning certificate along with a ₹500 Amazon voucher. The second prize shared by two students, Tuti Sharma and Sherry Singla, while the third prize went to Saloni Thakur. With over 30 students participating from different departments, the competition showcased the vibrant talent within Shulini's student body. The panel of judges comprising Professor Nasir Dasht Pema, Dr. Prakash Chand and Professor Gitansh carefully evaluated the presentations. The event was attended by Professor Vipin Pabbi, the director of the School of Media and Communications and mentor of Shulini YCC, along with Mr. Charanjit Singh, Senior Vice President of PRCI.
Shulini University, in partnership with PGI Chandigarh, will host a blood donation camp on Friday. Aditya will share the more details.
Shulini University, in collaboration with PGI Chandigarh, is set to host a blood donation camp at the Milkha Singh Stadium on April 5 from 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. With the aim of fostering community support and contribution to a noble cause, the event seeks the participation of all faculty, staff, and students in the noble mission.
Known for surpassing expectations, Shulini's blood donation camps have consistently garnered widespread participation and support from the community. This event promises to uphold that tradition with the collective effort of Shulini and PGI Chandigarh.
The organizers, led by Poonam Nanda, Dean Student Welfare, eagerly anticipated the enthusiastic participation of all members of the Shulini University community in the camp.
Now, before we conclude, RJ Sakshi will share you the upcoming radio shows on Radio Shulini, exclusively available on My Shulini app.
Hi, hello, namaste. Hope you are doing well. I am Sakshi and we will brief you about the upcoming shows that you can enjoy on Radio Shulini. Sahil Veerwar, Sakshi Charchaye Pakwan, Nitin Badhai Ho Viral Hua Hai, Vani Audio Brahman. So enjoy these shows on Radio Shulini. Radio Shulini Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
That's all for the week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition on next Friday. Till then, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button before you head out. Also do comment if you want us to add something new to the bulletin. Namaskar.